It's time. Oh god. It's time. Him. That's where I am, right over there. Or am I right there? I think I'm more over there. That's where he is. And I will be trying to defeat him. There'll be parts to this. If I can't defeat him in this video, I'll defeat him in the next. And it'll just keep going on until I do it.
Link wins the run.
Hold on, I gotta do something.
You think we're gonna have a little chat now? After that KO?
Yep.
Hands off the merchandise!
No one likes you, bro. You better get out. Alright. I just gotta do the same thing I did yesterday. And then I basically went a bit, and then I basically get past all of them. But we have another one, night mode. Or whatever his name is. Gotta stack up on clones. That's all you gotta do. Clones, that's all it is. Oh yes, I need this. Oh dang. Yeah, this isn't going well. This is not going well. This is going the exact opposite of well. So let's do better. I gotta be quick. Oh. And you're dead. Open up. Some weak stuff. Let's see here. Nice. I'll get back. Nice. We're only going for clones. That's how we won last time. And we know the strat. MX2, Kata, the fire girl, and then the necromancer fist, all on the MX2 fist. Am I going here now? Oh, you go first. Come on. All right. I gotta cut off their hand. Yes. Oh my god. What do I do? I can like fling there. Oh, he killed that. Dang it. This is not going well. I gotta get a shield. This will work for now. Oh my. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not gaining, I'm just limbo. Hold on. Yes. Yeah. The best option. Gotta get to her. Can I block it her fire with the shield? I have to know. I remember the axes are good. The axes. I might take her fire axes too.
Nothing matters. Might as well kill someone.
It doesn't, but it doesn't matter. Oh my god. My arm. My arm. My arm. My arm. I'm gonna die from this. I already know. Oh my god. I can't even take... Oh, I'll take one of them. I can't take this one though. I have to take one of them. A little flame fist, and actually I'll have to do MX2. Clone. Let's see what happened. Oh, overclock. That was part of my thingies. So I had to get... Every time I got hit, it would be slow motion. Or every time my shield got broken. I was so OP last time. Gotta do the same thing. Oh. Oh my. This is OP. I'll just have to hit them once. And they'll like burn. Like it's a bleeding thing. See? It's like a bleeding thing. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's gonna be hard. Oh my. Yo, you can chill, bro. Oh dang, at least I can dual heal. I can use both of them, but yet that's still not good. Okay, I accidentally did that. Okay. Here we go. Oh my god, it's so annoying. I don't have enough for anything. I'll just go for mystery box. I don't have enough for anything there. So I'll just go for mystery box. I hope it might be like a double team, you know? Or coins and a life. I hope it's that one. Coins and a life. Please, yes. Let's go. Wait, no, it's not a life though. It's just coins. I needed the coin and a life. Oh, dang. Guess I'll go for coins. Oh, I needed clones. Wait, we both got them. We both got fire fists. Wait, if he has fire fists, I can't hit him because I'll get 7 fire if I do. I'll just use it. I'll just use my fire to get his fire. But that won't work, I don't think. It's fine. Open up. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my. Nope. What does it look like from the front? It's just a loot llama. Oh, it's a loot pig. It's like a actual piggy thing. Alright, let's go for middle. Oh, Phantoma. Oh, dang. Okay. Hopefully it's Phantoma and MX2. Or, I also hope that this could be the shop. If it's a shop, then that would be good. Please be a shop. Alright, who is it? Perfect!
I'm gonna bury you for the win and for my sanity.
I'll turn your skull into a zombie.
Don't even think about my turbo fist.
Well, I just did.
Whatever. That was a fluke.
You can't kill
Yo.
my research.
Stop.
You got a trash power, Blinky. Don't even think about my turbo fist. You double dealing. Enjoy that one highlight.
Come on.
Security.
I will undead you to die. How dare you, lab rat?
I love this, bro.
Your power is running away? What kind of scrap was that? No, foul.
Shut up.
This is my loop.
How dare you, lab rat?
Whatever, that was a fluke. You can't touch any of this.
Only when it hurts. I can't die. I command the undead. How dare you, lab rat?
And stay dead.
All right.
I can't believe you got away with that.
And he's dead. Good. Flame spread more. Flame war recharges on kill. Sword. Wait, I can do the same thing but on the other fist, but I won't be able to. I'll just do this. I won't, since I didn't. So. Since I wouldn't be able to do it anymore, I'll just do it with this. Shield recharges on enemy killer. Might as well. Now I'm fully decked out. Where do I go? Oh, here. That was the east. That was easy. Anyone else? Oh, those two are dead. 3 more. Look at it just disintegrate. I'm ready. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, it's a long haul. Am I done? No? Now? Am I done? No? Dang it! Alright, I gotta lock in. Boom! I gotta use on this one. Die. I think I'll go with this one. Oh, it's this. I remember this. Oh dang. That is not what I wanted. That is totally not what I wanted. Go back up. Nice. Oh, that was scary, bro. Are they fighting? No? Okay, bet. I'll just get a longer sword. Huh. Is this supposed to be this easy? Especially this level? Oh my god. Okay. Oh. So it jumped from there to here. Let's see. Oh my. He has hops. They have hops. So I just have to do this. I'm stuck with this now. Oh, definitely. I can get 2 clones from this now. Oh, when I'm blocked, I can go like this and then burn. Wait, that's actually a banger idea. Hold on. Open up. I think I can get a turbo fist too. Yep, give me some coins. 3 coins. 3 coins. Oh, that's sick. Too long though. Shouldn't do that. That's like trainer bot or whatever it is. Time fist. What will it do? I can already get it from somebody. Can I do it? Boom. Boom. Ah, yes. Shuriken cut on your enemy. Shurikens are on fire. Shuriken. Lethal. What? What is that? A magnet? That's probably... What about with the shield? I have that. I can get that. Yep. I can't get that one. I don't think so.